Hi and welcome to this quick video where I'll show you how to factory reset your LG Smart TV back to its original settings. I'll also show you how to set the TV back up. So let's begin. We'll start by pressing the settings button on the remote. Then we go down the list until we get to all settings. From here we go to general, across and down to system, then all the way down to the bottom to reset to initial settings. Select this and we get some text on the screen just saying resetting will delete all of your account settings and installed apps. This action cannot be undone. Do you want to continue? If you're sure, just go up and click OK. Okay, time to set the TV back up. It wants us to click OK. Select the installation method, we'll do it by TV. And just confirm your language and location settings. If they're correct, just go to next. It now wants us to connect to Wi-Fi, and we do have an option to skip this option just in the upper right. However, I will add my password now. We have some terms and conditions which we can skip in the upper right. I will select next. And some more terms and conditions asking you to agree to terms of use, transferring information, and some other options there. You can select the two at the top, or you can select all. I'll just select the two for now. And of course, have a read through and make sure you're comfortable. There are no paired devices, so we'll click next. And it's asking how I watch TV. Now, if you use a set-top box and a TV, then select your option. However, on this occasion, I'm using just the TV. I'll go to next, enter my postcode. It wants to know how your TV is set up so it can optimize the sound. Is it on a stand or is it wall mounted? Select your option. Are you receiving programs through your antennae, cable or satellite? If you're not sure, just select all of them. It literally adds on a minute to the search and that way you'll know everything's covered. We'll do a digital search only here. We'll say next. We'll do a full search for the cable settings. Digital only search for cable tune-in options. FreeSat as the satellite service operator. That's in my area. And the search has begun. Program mode has been set to satellite. Click OK, click done. Now it wants me to sign in with the LG account. I will do that later, so for now I will go skip. And first use is completed. Install the content app recommended by LG. You can easily sign up or sign in by selecting the image. I will click done here, just to save time. And now we're back.